I don't care when this pops up. This is the message the angels wanted you to have this week, right here, right now. I'm going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to do a 3-card draw. So your message is either number 1, number 2, or number 3. Take a second. Pick the one that's your message. Got it? Hey folks, it's Susan at the Rock Shop at 311 Broadway Historic, downtown Paducah. Positive energy. It works. Time for your angel message. All right, message for number 1 is trustworthy friends. Thank you for the angels for surrounding me with the people that I can trust and that I can love. Well, how many people out there right here, right now, this week are maybe experiencing a little hurt from perhaps a betrayal, either small or big, and starting to think, you know what, maybe my friends are not quite as trustworthy. They don't deserve as quite as much trust as I have extended to them. And we all want to trust people. I think we should trust people. Absolutely. But you also want to have discernment. When you start to feel that maybe your trust isn't where it needs to be, or maybe it's out of proportion, that it's time to get quiet, get grounded, take a minute, get outside, get all the drama out of your head, and tap into how you're really feeling. Look at the relationship and really answer the question, have I got the appropriate amount of trust placed in this person? Is it too much? Is it too little? Is it just right? Be one of the Goldilocks bears. Give thanks for all of those people and situations that are in your life that are trustworthy. Be discerning about ones that maybe you're not so sure about, okay? You're a little guarded. And the ones that are not trustworthy, make a decision. It might be a decision to cut those ties and to move on. But in any case, good thing that we have trustworthy friends. Thank you for the angels for that. That was message number 1. Message number 2, you ready? Sacred inner space. Okay, well, that's kind of related message number 1, isn't it? Your sacral chakra, the second chakra up from your root chakra, so it's about 2 inches below your belly button. And a woman, that's where your womb would be. It's your seat of survival, okay? Your sacral chakra, tenderness and sensuality. I think what the angels are really suggesting is that you focus on yourself. You know, get in there and really nurture yourself. I'm not saying that it's related to message number 1, but it could be. And if you're feeling a little beat up this week, maybe a little betrayed, or that, you know, you're starting to question where people's loyalty lies, it's time to go within. It's time to get down there into those lower chakras and just bless them and clear them out. Stuff happens, okay? You know, life happens, you know, people come and go, relationships grow and wither, jobs, all kinds of things come into our life. And so we want to take time and clear out all the junk that life can tend to leave behind. This week, work on your sacral chakra. That color is orange. So anything that is orange would have the frequency that would line up with that chakra. Grounding, loving yourself. And I know some of you are like, I don't love myself. Love yourself, okay? As much as you can, even if it's just a little bit, because the divine loves you, God loves you, okay? The angels are here to help you remind yourself that you are a child of God. So give yourself a hug. Work on your sacred inner space. Message number 3, soul family. Okay, I said these were separate, but maybe they're not separate messages. Soul family. Call in your tribe. You don't have to do it alone. Man, I tell you, you know, if you are blessed enough that your biological family is your tribe, I am so happy for you. Some of us have to build our own tribe, or look for a tribe, or find a new one, or build a new one. Finding your trustworthy friends, calling in your tribe, taking care of yourself, getting your sacred inner space going on, taking care of your survival, and calling in your soul family. You do not have to do this alone. You have a human soul family, but you also have a divine soul family. Call in your divine team. Call in your guardian angels. Ask them to come and help you. They're there for you. They will come and they will help you. So folks, I don't know about you, but it's been an interesting week here. I suspect it's been an interesting week with you. I do hope that these messages reached out and touched you right in your heart. That's what the divine wanted me to do for you this week, is to give you a big old divine hug and tell you it is going to be okay. It is. Hope this message resonates. We always appreciate a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. We do a weekly angelic message. And of course, any comments would be nice. Namaste, my friends.